This might be the runner, boys. Let's see. 50 soul. Let's go. Good first trade. Good first trade. What's going on, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through a couple really solid trades I took last week right before this market sell-off. And I took all of these trades on Livestream, so if you're not already following my Twitch, hit the link down below. And I do a really good job of explaining to you guys my thought process for buying and selling the coin, but also my mentality while I'm in the trade. So if this kind of dialogue interests you and if you want to learn something new about meme coins, then stick around and watch the rest of this video. Okay, I have a bundle wallet in this. I might just buy some of this and hope it's like a healthy bundle or something. Okay, I have another wallet that just bought this though. Yeah, I'm seeing lots of tweets about this $250 bill. I'm gonna just hold the position. $250 bill to celebrate America's $250. 250th anniversary. This probably goes like 500K at least. Let's see. Maybe slow cooks. America's 250th birthday is next month. This is probably like a sell into the hype and then rebuy the bottom. Yeah, this 250 coin might be decent. We'll see. Wait, am I rich, boys? Who just blasted this? It's getting wiki. This might be the runner, boys. Let's see. There's literally 0 tracked wallets in this. This is like a... Okay, there, Cowboy just bought some. Up 30 soul, what the hell, man? You must be new here. Guys, this might crime. Oh, there's my candle. There's the 400K candle. There it is. Without catalysts or tracked wallets, it probably tops at 600. I don't know, Jojo. There seems to be like a healthy bundle. Nobody's really selling fat clips. I saw a couple big clips sell. Like here, this guy just sold what, 30 soul after buying 10. This wallet's decent. I think I've seen this wallet. Jim Pepe. I think that's a cool wallet. GMGN or something similar. 50 soul. Let's go. There's still no FOMO wallets. We're paid. Good first trade. Good first trade. Look at my sells. This is how I trade. You just slow clip the way up for a coin with good thesis. Oh, Trump interacted. Whoa, 700K. Whoa, 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 whoa. 55 soul. We caught the runner at 100K, boys, with size. Doesn't get better than that. Oh, Watch Your Guru Instagram post. Wait, this might go higher. All right, I'm gonna hold the rest as a moonbag. Watch Your Guru just posted on Instagram. They're like dropping edits. Wait, someone in Pastel chat said Trump. I don't know if it's fully accurate. 720K though. There's still people that out traded. This guy's up 160 soul. It's the bundle's cooking. Ollie Market just tweeted it. Okay, it gets to a point. I gotta trim. I gotta keep trimming here. You sell. Let's do 50% thing. 800K as well, past my expectations. I'm holding the rest. I've not seen a chart like this ages. Push your P&L. Yeah, I'm gonna need you guys to gas up the tweet. First trade of the day, caught the early runner. Yo, gas this tweet. Go, 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 go. How much are you up? I'm up 57. I'm up like 50 on the day. Okay, here's a coin. I just purchased some. I'm gonna keep buying some more actually. I'm really liking this elite narrative. It seems like a solid one in terms of virality. Pretty much it's a derivative for Neat coin. First trade of the day I actually just got on my computer just not too long ago. Probably the first derivative that I can actually see going in terms of Neat coin. There's not really any tracked wallets in the coin yet, which is a pretty solid sign. I want to see if I can hold this, and my initial targets are probably going to be somewhere in the 260 to 300 range initially. For initial profit taking, that's going to be my first range. We'll see what happens from there. The fact that Neats is 36 mil coin, I think this can at least tie up to at least 200 to 300K, if not higher. Yeah, here's another wallet that just bought 27 soul. As you guys know, I'm trading on the GMGN app, and I have the trading tab here pinned to the right side, which makes it a lot easier to actually see buys and sells from big whales and wallets. I'm seeing the average soul balance for the people buying this coin is about 25 soul, which is a pretty good sign for me. This is kind of exactly what I like to see. So I'm going to hold this for now. I want to go at least 300K. I want to get at least a double up on this. So I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna come back and we'll see what happens to the coin. Okay, it's looking good so far. 200K candle, really solid so far. Up 17 soul here. There's some more good wallets. I'm going to take a quick 7% on that candle right there. I do currently have around 1.8% supply across 2 wallets. I typically like to differentiate the supply. I hope you guys learned something new in this video. I try to break down my in and outs for buying, selling, and everything in between. I made some solid profit on these coins, and I stabled most of the profits before this unfortunate Solana sell-off. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below and drop any questions you might have regarding my trades, my buys, or anything at all. The most important characteristic you can have right now as a trader is patience, so make sure you guys are ready, active, tabbed on the trenches tab. And I'm sure there's going to be a couple really good cooks that spawn in the month of June. You just have to be ready and jump on the opportunity when it does come. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.